Welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. This is day 3 of my 30-day meditation challenge. As always, go ahead and find your desired seating position with your hands. And if you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. Continuing where we left off yesterday, today's focus will actually be the topic of focusing. We will use the sounds, in this case, music, to be the point of focus rather than our breath as we did the first 2 days. Make sure that we continue to keep a natural flow or natural speed of our breathing. You can decide to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, or exhale through your nose as well. Find the music when other thoughts may come into your focus. Acknowledge that your thought or focus has maybe shifted to any thoughts, previous conversations, arguments that you might have had in the past. And just gently bring your focus and awareness back to the music that you hear. It is very natural for our focus to shift or to become distracted with other things. Someone might be entering the room. That's why I also find it easier, as I said before, to keep my eyes closed because it helps being less distracted. As you listen to this music, find comfort in the position that you are in. Find relaxation. Try to remove any tension or relax in your legs, in your body, your chest, your arms, your shoulders, your neck and jaw muscles. try to become at ease just as we are. The purpose of this Connect challenge is that over these next 30 days, we want to literally connect with ourselves, to become a friend to ourselves. How do we become a friend to ourselves? How do you become a friend to anyone other than yourself? It takes time, communication, and patience. The same is true for ourselves. Throughout this 30-day meditation challenge, the hardest part will be to make time for ourselves, make time to befriend ourselves, really understand what self-care and self-love is all about. And with just like any other quality relationship, it will take time and patience. And remember to not be judgmental, even if our focus wanders off from the music today, from our breath yesterday, whatever the focal point is. The actual journey or the adventure is acknowledging that our focus has wandered and bringing it back, even if it takes us 1,000 times. The most important part is that we've made the decision to connect, to get to know ourselves, and ultimately to love ourselves even more. So as this session comes to an end, let me be the first to tell you that you're doing great. Good job. This is already day 3. Keep it up. Go ahead and start to wiggle your toes, your fingers, and if your eyes were closed, go ahead and open your eyes. Great job, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. and I will answer them. Have a great day.